everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a dip powder kit here from Cooserry. I've never tried their products before, so they reached out and asked if I'd like to try their dip powder kit. So I said yes. And yeah, the packaging here is super cute. I like the colors on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it open. Alright, so this is everything that you get in the dip powder kit. It actually did come with a file, but it was stuck in the back of it up. There's like, I don't know, on the back of the packaging where all the dip powders are, there's a file stuck up there, and I didn't see it literally till today after I already finished the video and already finished editing. I just had to do the voiceover. I was like, dang it. So yeah, it does come with a file, but it came with those extra brushes. And then this brush here, I love this brush, this dusting brush. It was firm, you know, and a little bit soft. I liked it. It really got rid of the powder really nice. And so now we're going to take a look at the dip liquids here. Number one here is the base, and these are 15 ml bottles, very good size. Number two is the activator. And number three is the gel top. And then we get 8 powders here. This first one is pretty. It's like a clear and it has some purple glitters in it. This next one is a light pink. Number 19 is a white. 21 is a silver glitter, really, really pretty. Number 20 is a brighter pink. 25 is a gold glitter. 23 is a gray, and oh, it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to use that in another set. And then 29 is a black with glitter in it. It's gorgeous. So this is everything you get in the kit. Like I said, you do get a file, and it was totally hiding in there. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch just a few on camera here. So I'm going to start with that first one, number 16. That's the clear with some purple, like purpley pink glitters in it. I'm just going to apply an even coat of the base, and I'm going to go ahead and pour that dip over and shake off any excess, and then we let that dry. It dried pretty quick. I really liked it. I had time to work with it, but then it dried pretty quick, which was nice. And then this is light pink here, really pretty. And then this one was the white. And then yeah, I already did 2 coats of all the colors, and I just went ahead and wiped off any excess with the dusting brush. And now I'm going in with the activator. You want to make sure you put a pretty even coat of the activator. This is what helps set the dip powder and make it hard. So I just show a few here. And then next, after I applied all the activator and that dried, we're going to go in with the gel top. This was nice. I liked it. It was pretty shiny. So these are all the colors here, and they are so pretty. I love that gray. I'm going to use that in the next set coming up. And so I decided to use the bright pink, the black, and then the silver I kind of used. You'll see it was kind of a fail. I'm going to use these full cover coffin tips and then these Kuromi charm. As soon as I saw the pink and the black, I knew I had to do Kuromi. And then I might use that bow charm, but I'm not sure. But we're going to go in first. On the pinky, we're going to do the black dip powder. And I'm just going in with that base. And we're going to do an even layer all over that nail. Make sure that it's coated pretty even or you'll get bumps in it. And so now I'm just going to pour the dip powder right over the nail there and try to cover everything as much as you can. And then I'm just going to tap off any excess and let that dry just for a little bit. And it did dry pretty quick. I was surprised. So now I'm just going in with that brush and just wiping any excess around the cuticles and on top of the nail. And I love it. Look how glittery. It's so pretty. And so we're going to do the same thing on the thumb. Sorry if my voice sounds a little cracky. My son has been sick since Saturday. Today is Wednesday night. And yeah, he's been really sick. And I caught a little bit of it. So I've been stuffy. But I took some medicine and it's starting to clear up a little bit, but I needed to get this done. So yeah, sorry for the cracky voice. So yeah, I just went ahead and just dusting everything off. And then I am going to go in with a second coat, even though it's very highly pigmented. But if you can see around the cuticle, there was a little bit around the cuticle that I missed there the first time, so you can see right there. So I'm just going to go in and put some of that base and then put a second coat of the dip powder. And then I went ahead and did it on the thumb too, just so they looked even. And so after everything dried and I wiped off the excess, I'm going in with number 2, which is the activator, and this is going to set the dip powder. And so for the middle and the index, I'm going in with that bright pink. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to apply, try to apply an even layer of the base coat. And then I'm going to do 2 coats of the dip powder. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the ring finger, and I did do a layer of black, 1 coat of black, and what I was trying to do here was trying to do a marble. I've seen videos of people doing a marble with the dip powder. They lay down like the base color and then they put in another color that they want to marble. I didn't do a very good job. It was a fail, but I still wanted to keep it in just to show you. If you guys have any tips, please let me know. Yeah, and I just went in with that pink, and I don't think I did it thin enough and maybe dark enough, you know, put enough. And then I was just sprinkling some of that silver just so it could have a little bit of the silver. So yeah, I just tried to do like a swirl, and I just wasn't coming out right. But yeah, so I just go in and put a layer of the base on the nail. And then I'm going to tip my finger upside down and just lay it in the dip powder and try to cover, you know, most of the nail. And you can see a little bit on the side. But yeah, it just didn't look like a marble. I don't know if it's because the black maybe. Because I've seen a lot of people do it with like a clear nail or like a light color. So yeah, if you guys have any tips or anything, please let me know. So now I'm going to go in with my e-file, and I'm just going to file a little bit. I didn't have a clear, so I'm guessing you didn't have to cap the clear, so I went ahead and filed, and it didn't mess up anything. I mean, everything still looked good. The middle finger did come out a little bit bumpy. I didn't apply the base, I guess, as even as I thought I did. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and file and make everything nice and smooth. And then after I filed everything, I'm going to go ahead and just buff the nails just to make them extra smooth. And like I said, the kit did come with a file, and I'm so mad that I did not see it till after I was done. It was literally hiding up in that the little black case that it came in. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat that comes with the kit onto the nails. And it was real shiny. Look at that. It made it look really shiny and clean. I really liked it, and it dried really quick. So now for the decorations on the pinky, I'm just going to go in with these pink rhinestones and just do a line of rhinestones down the center of the pinky. And then once I had everything laid out, I go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. But I really enjoyed working with the dip powders. Like I said, everything, I mean, I had time to dip and everything, but it dried quick, and I really liked that. So it made it go pretty quick. So I just applied some of those little 4-pointed stars, and you can see a Kuromi sticker on there. I ended up taking that off. I just thought with the charm on the middle finger and the sticker, it was just too much, like next to each other. I should have did a pink maybe on the thumb and then put the sticker. But yeah, because I wanted to do that marble, but it was fine. I still think they came out cute. So I'm just removing that sticker, and then I'm just going to apply another sticker of the 4-point stars. And then I had these stickers, that little, I don't know if it's a little skull or something, but it matched what the Kuromi has on his head up there. I thought it matched perfectly, so I just cut off the little drips that were on there, and I just applied that sticker. And then I went ahead and applied these white 4-pointed stars. And then for the thumb, I just did the same exact thing as the pinky. I just put those pink rhinestones just down the center of the nail. And then this is the finished set here. I think they came out really cute. I think the colors matched perfectly with the charm. The dips, the liquids, everything was so easy to work with. I really enjoyed the products. Thank you so much, Cooserry, for this opportunity to try your dip powders. I really enjoyed them. I'm going to go ahead and leave everything linked down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.